Looks like we are the first people to enter the town for Christmas.
Yeah, I mean, there's the townies like McQueen, Sally, or heck, Mater.
Did someone say Mater? If I'm lying, I'm crying.
Okay.
Nice job, George. Now he's going to tell a story all about himself.
You got the story part right. But this is actually about someone else. It is called How the Lemon Stole Christmas. Wanna hear?
Go ahead.
Great! Now, where do I begin? Oh yeah, it all started one day when it was Christmas in Radiator Springs. And everyone was celebrating.
Okay, Fillmore. Ready to set these lights up to your house?
My house? Wow. I sure am, man.
And customers were visiting. Yes, everyone in Radiator Springs loves Christmas. Everyone except the lemon. His name was Tyler Gremlin, and he despised it with every ounce of hate. He was recently a prisoner in Corone, until one day he was let go. But did that mean he was chill now? Nope. And Christmas was another part of that unchillness he has in him.
Christmas. You all say Christmas, I say humbug. Now, let's eat frickin' dinner. The frick? What is this leaf? Does this mean I have to go shopping during Christmas? Alright, fine. But this will be quick.
He was always so lonely because he was a bully as a kid, and that's what turned him into a selfish dirtbag he was that day.
So what's Chick doing in Raiders? Isn't he one of your rivals?
It's okay, Sally. He was a dirty racer and still kinda is, but he's not someone who would rob a bank or anything. So as long as he doesn't cause trouble, he could stay here, even though he's an unbearable mutthead.
Wait, who's that? Oh, another customer. I'll just say it. Merry Christmas. Shut up. I'm only here to go shop, and then I'm out of here. Got it? Oh. Okay. That was weird. So, Sheriff, how do you feel about him being here? Do you think we need to get him out? Well, considering that he did just tell me to shut up, he's just here to go shopping, then he's right out of here. I say we just let him for now. There. Done with shopping. I can't wait to get back to my broken down house and have some delicious dinner. Hey, watch where you're going.
No, you watch where you're going, Lemon.
What? Oh no, he didn't. Oh dear. You want to call me that again, buddy? I was just moving when you pulled that bullcrap move.
Well, I'm sorry, but in case you didn't notice, I'm trying to enjoy Christmas.
Well, guess what? I freaking hate Christmas.
Well, you might as well try to steal Christmas if you really hate it.
Then he got an idea. An awful idea. A wonderfully awful idea.
You know what? I will steal Christmas from all of you douchebags. Screw you all.
That got him to screw off, didn't it?
Nice job, chick. Now he's gonna steal Christmas. Yeah, and I'm just visiting. This will be the worst Christmas ever.
Okay, first of all, Ryan, be grateful that you won the Piston Cup this year. At least you didn't get booed. Unlike me. Second, he's not even serious.
Never been more serious about anything else in my life. I will actually try to steal Christmas this year. I mean, where do I even begin? When they wake up in the morning, see all those presents, they'll open them up and they'll make so much noise. Noise. Oh, and don't even get me started on the turkey. They eat it. They will feast. They'll feast. Oh yeah. And the thing I like the least, they will all gather around the tree and they will sing. And they'll sing. And they'll sing. I must stop Christmas from coming this year. But how? I got it. I'll dress up as Santa Claus. It's perfect. Need some... Where would it be? I got it. I know just what I need to find.
Me? Dress up as a reindeer so you can be Santa Claus for one night? You know I'm a retired Piston Cup racer, right?
Yeah, I know.
So why me and why are we doing this?
So I can inspect everyone's stuff and make sure it is safe for them, of course. Now, why don't you go and dress up as a reindeer?
Okay. Wait, this isn't some trick so you can steal Christmas, is it?
Oh, heck no. I would never, ever. Lemon's honor, after all.
Okay.
Fool.
Did you say something?
Oh, I just said something about, school.
Okay.
This will be priceless. I can't wait to see them all cry in the morning.
And later, when all the townies were ready, for in a few hours, Santa would be there, and he would give them presents. But little did we know, a gremlin will be to screw it all. Or was he?
Oh, and little note for the narrator. We don't have Santa Car, so this is the closest we really got at the moment. So it's our easiest. Anyways, time to jump off.
You guys know we weren't even flying, right?
He stooped so low and stole all the gifts. He took books, he took video games, he took all sorts of stuff. And the last place he went after was the Cozy Cove. When one little car spotted him stealing the tree and was woken up, she went out and asked him,
Santa? Why are you
picking our tree.
But you know, that old lemon was so smart and so slick. He thought up a lie, and he thought it up quick.
Oh, my sweet little child. Why, one of the lights was not working, so I'm bringing it back to my workshop so I can fix it. Then it will be there first thing in the morning. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, okay. I really wish you could celebrate with us tomorrow. It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, sure. Now, go back to bed. You shouldn't be out in the middle of the night.
Alright. Night, Santa.
Alright, Ruby, here comes the tree.
Okay.
Now come on, let's get moving. Now, I can finally get Christmas out of my life. For good!
We had all woken up this morning, and we were all shocked. Ryan was right. Tyler did steal Christmas.
You did this. You agonized him. He went and did it. This is all your fault.
Was it really? What I did was an accident. Okay, it was my fault to be honest, but man, I didn't think he would actually do that.
Well, you know what, Chick? I don't really care. Because Christmas isn't even about presents, or dinner, or cookies. It's about everyone we have and everyone who is there to be with us. And he didn't steal our ability to sing. As long as I have Sally and Mater and everyone else who is by my side, I'm happy no matter what.
Well said, Stickers. Well said. Yeah, you know what? Lightning's right. We are kind of overreacting. I mean, who cares if we really lost a few gifts? Yeah, at least we have each other. Yeah, you know what? Lightning's right. This isn't the worst Christmas ever. I mean, granted, I've had better Christmases. Wait, your parents are dead? Oh no, they're alive. I just haven't seen them. Oh, okay.
As Tyler was about to dump the presents off the cliff, he saw that everyone in Radiant Springs was happy for some reason. But why?
Why do they look so happy? Don't they realize I took their presents? Their everything?
I mean, their loved ones kind of are their everything if you really think about it. I mean, think about it. Maybe Christmas doesn't come from a store, but rather from
But maybe it comes from a heart.
Exactly! Now, why don't you close your eyes and listen to the music? Every bit of pain will go away.
Listen, I know what you're going through. Everybody's been laughing at me my whole life, too. But becoming powerful and rich beyond your wildest dreams ain't gonna make you feel better.
Yeah, I guess he was right. It doesn't really make me feel better. And now, 11 years later, I actually get away with something and I don't feel better. I just feel worse. I guess he was right. Am I on the wrong side?
Well, how do you feel now?
I feel like I'm realizing the error of my ways. Like I'm a better car now. I feel more caring. And heck, I think my heart is 3 times bigger. What have I done? No, 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 no. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, come on. Oof, guess I don't know my own strength, I guess. Ruby, little help?
I'm on it.
Come on, Ruby. You can do it. Dirt, 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 dirt.
Yay! We did it! We saved Christmas!
Almost there, little buddy. Almost. Now, come on. We just need to head back over to Radiator Springs and deliver the presents and return them.
I'm on it.
I did it. I took them. Yeah, we know.
Shut up.
I had stolen Christmas because of some stupid reason.
Yeah, I know. It's because of me. Yeah. Blame it on Kachi.
No, chick. I mean, you were pretty much the one who gave me the idea. But I actually stole Christmas because it pretty much sums up my life. I was bullied for liking it as a kid, and also bullied for being a lemon as well. So I thought by stealing Christmas it would fix everything, but it didn't. And I'm sorry.
Tyler, it's fine. If you had just told us that you don't like Christmas because of what happened to you, you could have just said so and we could have helped you. We're just glad you said sorry at the end. And if you want, you can come inside and celebrate Christmas with us.
I can? Darn right you can. You can even come over to Flo's for a sip of oil, sugar. And don't forget, you can come over to Luigi's Casa della Tires for some tires if you want to. Well, thanks, but I don't really deserve to. Well, kid, you don't really deserve to be alone on Christmas either. So, what do you say? Well,
I say we join. What about you, Tyler?
yeah, I guess we could. You know, I guess it wouldn't hurt for a few minutes.
So he joined Christmas and celebrated. And he even cut the turkey. And of course, we all sing and stuff. And that was how the lemons stole, but then returned Christmas.
Yeah, it is definitely a tall tale.
Agree.
No, I'm telling the truth.
Well then, why don't you prove it?
Gladly.
Tyler!
Right here, Mater. Yeah, it was a true story, but I was able to redeem myself, and I even celebrate Christmas now. So yeah.
So that means...
Okay, so the story is true then. Okay, nice to meet you, Tyler.
Great, now you believe me. Now we can celebrate Christmas. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Silly old tow truck.
Yep.
Merry
Christmas and a Happy New Year!